how to recover Line chat history without backup. So if you want to recover your Line chat history without backup, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Line application. So the first method is retrieve Line chat from iCloud backup. iCloud is actually the official method to backup Endure Line, but you need to make a previous backup to iCloud first. So open up the Line application and go to settings, which will be on the top right. And then tap on the chat history backup and then go with backup now, which will be on the bottom. Confirm your PIN. You can also add a backup PIN. Once you've done with your backup, you need to go back and then open up your settings. Now here you need to scroll down, go with general, and then tap on iCloud or go with your name, which will be on the top. Scroll down, go with iCloud and turn on the iCloud Drive feature. Then you'll need to reinstall the Line. Third, when installed, you need to launch the application and log into the same user account as the app. To text the previous backup, you need to tap on restore. You don't have a restore option. However, if you haven't backed up Line chats regularly, then you can go with the second method, which is you can retrieve Line chat from iMyFone chats back for Line. Search for iMyFone. iMyFone Chats Back is a tool designed to recover deleted or lost Line chats history from your iOS or your Android devices, even without a backup. So go with www.imyphone.com. You need to have a computer, which will be easy for you. Just simply go and download it. Once you've downloaded, you can go with your chats backup, try it for free. It will have all the access to your data. You'll be able to choose your files or the chats that you would like to retrieve. And once you've selected, you can go with recover to PC or recover to device and it will be recovered. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.